video, we'll discuss about the JavaScript from basics to advanced concept. If you search top 5 programming language in today's world, then you can see JavaScript in top 5, right? You can see the one simple definition here. JavaScript is a lightweight programming language commonly used by web developers to add dynamic interaction to web pages, applications, server, and even games. So not only this definition is fulfilled here, you can use the JavaScript for the web development and also the mobile applications development, server-side applications development, desktop applications development, and also you can use it in Internet of Things and also the machine learning, right? So if you see here, what is JavaScript used for? At first point, you can see web and mobile applications development. And second one is building web server and server applications. And if you learned the Node.js, this is you can use the Node.js as in backend, and and using the Node.js you can create the web server and also the server side applications, right? And after that, interactive behavior on a website. It means if you have learned about my HTML tutorials, then HTML is used to structure the web page, and CSS is used to make the layout of that web page. And actually, JavaScript is used to make interactive websites, right? So if I click on the button, then it will interact, or you can say it will react to our, when we click on the button, then it will react, or it will open the form, or it can do the things that what we do in the backend, right? And after that, we can also use in the game development. And if you see the Angry Bird game that was developed in the JavaScript, and if you take example of the YouTube, Google, Facebook, Instagram, these popular websites are also built in the JavaScript. Is one of the programming language, right? And after that, you can use the JavaScript for machine learning also. And also, if you see the what makes JavaScript great, this is the simplicity. It means JavaScript is very easy to learn. If you are new to the programming language, then you can make JavaScript as the first programming language. You can learn it from the scratch, and you will understand about the different basic concepts using the JavaScript. After that, speed. It means it is very much fast because it runs on the browser, and also it is a versatility. Versatility, it means you can use a JavaScript for the machine learning also, Internet of Things also, web development also, desktop applications also, and also server-side applications. If you want to be a full stack developer, then also you can simply learn one programming language, and you can use Node.js as backend. If you talk about the Node.js, that also use the JavaScript as the programming language, and you can learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for the front-end development. Or you can also learn the React or the Angular, okay, to make the website to become the full stack developer. And after that, popularity. It's very popular programming language, more than the C#, Java, and it's almost like Python programming language. So if it's, you can also say this is the top 2 programming language, right? In this present scenario, you can take Python as the top most, or you can say the top 1 programming language, and you can take the JavaScript as second most popular programming language, or you can interchange the place between the Python and also the JavaScript. But they are actually the different programming language, so they can take the different places. But you can take JavaScript is also the top 2 programming language, right? And after that, server load, and it takes the minimum amount of time to interaction between the client and then the server. And if you talk about the updates, ECMAScript will update regularly once in a year. So if there is a new updates, then it will always reproduce or regenerates the new updates per year, so we can get the latest version of the JavaScript. If you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask in the comment sections. After this video, we'll make the coding part of the JavaScript, where we'll discuss about the how we can add the JavaScript to the HTML document, and also we'll create the one website using the JavaScript, and how we can use the actually JavaScript, right? How we can add the JavaScript in 2 ways. If you already learn about the CSS tutorials, then that video I have talked about the how we can add the CSS to the HTML, right? We can add inline, internal, and the external CSS. Likewise, if you want to add JavaScript to the HTML document, we can add this JavaScript into HTML document in 2 ways. One is using script tag inside the HTML document, And also we can use the external JavaScript file, right? We can use the .js as extension, and we can use the JavaScript into our HTML document. And we'll discuss about the more things on the JavaScript, and we'll continue our videos, JavaScript video series from the basics to advanced. If you get any confusion, then you can ask in the JavaScript tutorials. So please, if you are new to this channel, do not forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you so very much. Thank you.